A very marvelous morning, dear children. Today we will study chapter number 16 of Fragrance book, The Victory. First of all, something about the chapter. This story revolves around the King Alexander the Great. He is considered one of history's most successful commanders. Let us go through this chapter to know more about Alexander and his self realization. Main characters of the chapter are Alexander the Great, his chief general, his brave generals, and Indian saints. Something about the author. The author of this chapter, The Victory, is Manorma Jaffa, an Indian author and critic. She has published more than 65 children's books and several articles. Her books have powerful illustrations and strong messages for the readers. Flowers and I and Lal Topi are some of her famous works. Now I am going to explain the summary of this chapter. As we come to know from the title that this chapter is about victory. Let us discuss about this chapter that about whose victory we are talking here. Yes, this is about Alexander, who was a Greek king and had started his journey to conquer the world. When he came to conquer India, an incident changed his life, and in this chapter, the victory, that incident is explained. Alexander had heard that India was the golden bird at that time, means India was a very prosperous country. So he ordered his commanders to conquer it. His commanders followed his orders and looked into the maps to reach India. They came towards river Sindhu after crossing the Himalayas. There they had a battle with King Puru. They defeated Puru and made him prisoner. After it, Alexander got on his horse and went through the countryside to see the celebrations of his victory. But there he saw a strange sight. He saw that some women and small children were crying loudly. Seeing this, he did not feel guilty or generous. Instead, he felt proud of his victory. Proceeding towards the forest, he saw some saints performing yajna near the bank of the river Sindhu. He saw that those saints were not having clothes on their upper body parts. He thought that they were very poor. He ordered his chief general to bring some warm cloths and warm blankets for them. They obeyed him and brought some woolen cloths and blankets. Alexander reached the saints with those woolen clothes. He patted his horse and coughed to get their attention, but the saints didn't even notice him and continued their yajna. He introduced himself to one of them that he was the world conqueror Alexander and he had won even their country India. He had brought those woolens to cover their body. That saint asked him what he wanted from them. Alexander answered him that he didn't want anything, rather, he was there to help them from poverty. So he had brought woolens. The saint said that he had not won India, but he had looted India. So he said that he couldn't take donations from a robber. He further said that if he wanted to win a country, then he should win the hearts of the countrymen with love. Only then he could conquer a country. Alexander realized his mistake and saluted the saints. He returned to his tent and at dawn of the day he ordered his chief general to release King Puru and returned his kingdom. This incident changed Alexander's life and he dropped the idea of conquering other parts of India and he returned his country. Thank you. Now, children, there is one activity for you. You have to create a story map of the chapter, The Victory, and mention the plot, characters, setting, incidents, etc. with the help of pictures. Do this activity in your notebook.